I chose getaway residence because it's not expensive and it's a very good place for the school. It's very near to Spinola, St Julian, and it's very good.
Because it's so near from the school, and I saw a lot of pictures on the website, and I really like the residence.
Because here is just close to school and close to Spinola, close to beach, and close to everything.
This residence has international students, so we can communicate with other countries. So I can understand different cultures, so I chose this residence.
I like getaway residence because it's a very big family. There are a lot of nationality and I like meet new people in different countries. It's very interesting.
I really like that it's always clean and everyone is ordered, and I also really like the breakfast, and obviously that is so close from the school.
My best idea, close to school, and there are a lot of national people, and there are good family.
A nice view from here, and we have clean kitchen, a big kitchen. Yeah.
Yes, I'm very happy because I meet a lot of people, I have a lot of friends, and I improve my English. It's very good for me.
Yes, of course, I'm really happy, and everyone is so kind, so I really like it.
Yes, I am so happy. If I will come here again, I will stay GSE residence.
Yes, I'm happy because I can make many friends from other countries.